Hey guys, it's your girl Cam and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really giddy because I finally got to open and play with like all these goodies that I got from BH Cosmetics. I wanted to place an order after I kind of played around with some of their other palettes and really liked the quality and the price point, hello, of their stuff. And I also was able to dig into some of this stuff to create this look that you see right here, which is actually my video on how to do a halo cut crease eye look. So if you want to see these products in action, I did use their Weekend Festival palette right here, which, how gorgeous is this? Like seriously, I love it. I like want to live in this picture. And I also used the loose glitter in the color Smoky Gold, so that's what you're seeing right here. And definitely check out that video to see how to get these awesome products to create this awesome look. We're right, baby! Hey Muffin, oh my god. Baby, hi baby. Do you love your mama? Yeah. Okay, down you go. We're gonna put you in the video. Okay. Okay, so as I was saying before, my dog really wanted to be a part of this video really badly. Make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss the videos in my How to Makeup series. I'm going to link that entire playlist right up here for you, so that way you can just follow along, piece everything together, and any sort of makeup related issue that you're having, I'm probably definitely breaking down in that How to Makeup series, so check it out. And so I wanted to do a haul video because A, I haven't done one in a while, and B, I got all this awesome stuff that I want to share with you guys from like a brand that I just think is really affordable. And again, like I like playing with a lot of color, different pigments, textures, and sometimes those things can be really expensive from other brands. So I'm really glad that I was able to pick up like some liquid eyeshadows, some glitters, like other interesting unique formulas, and I basically got like all of this minus the Weekend Festival one that I got from Ulta for like just over the free shipping minimum. So again, crazy affordable. Alright, so first up, I actually want to talk about the Weekend Festival palette because I don't think it's available on their website anymore. And I'm pretty sure that I had to go to a physical Ulta store to be able to pick this up. Although I think Ulta actually has this online too. So I may be wrong. Okay, but anyway, I went to Ulta and picked this up, and this was kind of like, I think my first or second palette foray into BH Cosmetics, and I love this. I was deciding between this and a couple other festival palettes, and I mean, between the gorgeous packaging that I'm so in love with, and these colors. First of all, I love the golds and the little pinks right here, and this teal color and this lime green color down here, like, holy guacamole. Like seriously, they're gorgeous. And actually, I'm gonna swatch some for you because I don't know if you can see this, but it is just this gorgeous light shimmery aqua blue color. And then you've got this lime green right here. So even with these two colors, like think of the awesome color combinations that you could do. Seriously. And so when I was placing my order, the main palette that I really wanted to get was the Take Me Back to Brazil, of course. Obviously, you can guess why, because even though the festival palette does have a lot of pops of color, this is like all color right here. It's insane. And they do have like one with black packaging where this is white packaging, and the black packaging is just all shimmers. So this has some mattes and some shimmers, and the black one's just all shimmers, if you were wondering what the difference is. I actually haven't played with this yet. As you can see, it's pretty mint and pristine, but I'm really excited to dig into this, and I hope that it's similar quality to the Weekend Festival palette and the Hangin' in Hawaii palette that I've already done a video on. And if you want to see the like kind of summery tropical look that I did with that palette, then I'm gonna link that video for you right up here. Next up, and this palette was actually really cheap because I'm pretty sure it's one of their older palettes, but again, like the colors in this are awesome, and this is the Foil Eyes palette. So you have 28 eyeshadows in here that I can't open, and they're all sorts of shimmers. So if I'm doing a look and lacking a certain shimmer in a palette that I want, then this palette is probably gonna have it. So for example, you've got some grays and like blue purple colors here, which I always feel like I'm lacking. And there's a nice light gray, light green shimmer right here. I actually want to try this one and see what it looks like. There we go, that's that one. I'm also gonna do this nice like smoky purpley gunmetal shade right here. So yeah, I definitely thought that that was a very useful palette to have. And now moving on, I bought like a bunch of diamond dazzlers and glitter and highlights, and actually didn't even like pick up everything that I had my eye on. I know that I still wanted to try the Zodiac Love Signs palette because I've seen a lot of gorgeous looks with that one. And regarding these highlights, I got 3 colors, but there's one more color, I think it's called BFF, that I saw that I was like, man, I should have got that one. So anyway, let me start with the highlights. Speaking of which, I got the colors Fresh, Psych, and Gnarly. So I'm gonna swatch all 3 of those for you. This first one that I'm gonna do is Psych. And it really depends on your skin tone if it's gonna show up on you. But it's this like yellowy gold with some silver iridescence in it. So it looks really pretty. And the next one I'm gonna do is Psych. And this one's kind of like a pinky, purpley, almost bluey one too. And it'll probably go with a lot of the general color schemes that I like to use. So the second one is Psych. And then I don't even know where I'm gonna do Gnarly. I think I'm gonna do it on my thumb. And so obviously this one's my favorite because teal, aqua, what have you, are like my favorite colors. Okay, that's not working. This bottom one right here is Gnarly. And those are like a liquid eyeshadow, and you can either use the applicator wand with them or just go in with like a flat brush. And yeah, I'd say they dry pretty fast. Alright, so next I got a couple of the diamond dazzlers, and I got the color Luxe right here because again, it's this like kind of aqua greenish color, and the color Brilliant, which is a nice baby pink. So let me swatch those for you. And again, this is very much like, I guess because it's the color palettes that I like to use. So that's why I got these colors. And I actually thought that these would be more of like a glitter, but they do look like a loose shimmer. And so this one's Brilliant. And it's a sort of like pinky gold actually. And I don't think that you'll even need to use a glitter glue with these. You might to get maximum payoff. You may also want to foil them, it looks like. But they're definitely very fine and more like a shimmer, not a glitter. And so the second one is the color Luxe. And I don't know if the camera's like picking it up or not, but it's very like, I would say more green than blue, but it reflects a lot of blue too. But again, it's just like this really pretty like mermaidy color. I don't know, I might have just bought a bunch of stuff that looks the same, but. And then lastly, I picked up 2 of the like actual loose glitters that you would use a glitter glue with. And the first color is Smoky Gold. And I'm not gonna swatch that one because that's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. And this other one that I'm really excited about that I picked up is called Chameleon. And it just looks like pure white, but it has sort of like these iridescent purple and pink like micro sparkles in it. So let me swatch that one for you. And so I'm actually just going to show you on my finger right here because it's really hard to swatch on my skin. But it's got these like purpley, pinky, maybe even like blue reflex in it. So it's not like just pure white. And again, this color is absolutely gorgeous. And then lastly, the really cool thing that I saw when I was trying to place an order is that depending upon, you know, what kind of sale they're having, or I don't know, I guess just what the current promotion is, you generally always get a free item with your purchase, especially like once you're hitting that free shipping minimum, then you're probably definitely getting a free item. And I actually got their liquid eyeliner, which is just a black felt tipped liner. But a lot of times they do give out palettes and brush sets as free gifts and they cycle them. So definitely keep your eye out for those and like, you know, try to maybe time your order for when it's a free gift that you really want, because I just kind of timed it with a sale and, you know, I really wanted to try a lot of other things from them. So yeah, maybe next time. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed me sharing my BH Cosmetics haul that I'm super excited about. And I'm definitely really excited to try out a lot of these in upcoming looks. As you can see, I couldn't wait. I wanted to use them for one of my how-to eye looks. And again, everything that I've tried from them so far performs beautifully. I feel like these are really cute colors for like spring and summer, so I'm really excited about that. And if you're a fan of BH Cosmetics, then definitely hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments what your favorite BH Cosmetics product is so that I can get it next. And let me leave you with a couple more videos by me that you can check out. And then click on my face to subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to tune in next week to see how I got this eye look with these products. Alrighty, my loves, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, by the way, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.